Now we're subtracting fractions with the same denominator. And just like when we were adding fractions, the most important thing to remember is that the denominator stays the same in our answer. So 6/8 minus 1/8 is 5/8 because the denominator stays the same and 6 minus 1 is 5. Now we have 5/6 minus 4/6. So that's 1/6 because the denominator stays the same and 5 minus 4 is 1. 6/7 minus 2/7 is 4/7 because 6 minus 2 is 4 and the denominator stays the same. And 4/9 minus 1/9 is 3/9 because 9 is our common denominator and 4 minus 1 is 3. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.